So many great questions on this post. So let's start by talking about what it means to be a black hole. A black hole is not an object. A black hole is a distortion of reality, which happens when there is too much mass in one place. If you think of the Earth is pulling on us with gravity, and the amount of gravity that it's pulling on us with is related to the amount of mass that the Earth has, and the amount of mass that we have as people. And we think of that as weight. So, space-time, the fabric of reality, is a curved plane. And everything with mass is pushing down. Think of it like a net or a trampoline, and you're pushing down on it. And it forms a little well, a gravity well. So the Earth is pushing down, and the speed that we have to be going to escape from the Earth is the speed that it takes to get up out of that gravity well. So if you have an almost infinite amount of mass, a huge amount of mass, then you can have a black hole. And what that does is, instead of being a little curve, it's like a bottomless pit. And so the speed you would have to be going to escape is infinite. You'd have to be going faster than the speed of light to escape from the black hole. And you can't. It's against the laws of physics. The amount of energy it takes to even approach the speed of light increases exponentially. So you would need more energy than exists in the universe to escape from a black hole. So a black hole is not a physical object that's being held together by gravity. A black hole is a distortion of reality that happens when there's too much mass in one place. So the Roche limit doesn't really apply in the same way. It's possible for black holes to approach one another, to orbit one another, to collide and form an even larger black hole, but they don't explode in the presence of one another like planets do with the Roche limit. One thing that's really interesting is when they orbit one another, they throw off tons of gravity waves, and we can actually see those with radio interferometry, and I've written a lot about that. That's something that you can explore at home using simple equipment you can get on Amazon. It's a pretty interesting topic. It's very bleeding edge in astronomy today. But yeah, black holes do not explode from the Roche limit.